Good day. Earlier this morning, a meeting was held here at the Presidential Palace between the President of the Republic and the Prime Minister of Timor-Leste. The meeting served as a regular platform for the Prime Minister to report on the latest developments regarding the government's work. It also included discussions on matters related to the recent official state visit to Singapore, reflecting ongoing cooperation between the executive branches of government, as well as answering a few word questions from the media.
In everything that we need to make easy our accession to ASEAN in October. We still need next week we will have the second interministerial meeting about what achievements already done, where not yet. I have to ask why. And Singapore, the government, is open to every kind of cooperation.
The weekly meetings continue to highlight the commitment to transparency and coordination at the highest levels of national leadership. From the Presidential Palace, I'm Digna Serão, together with Egas Cristovão for TATOLI.